Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. I haven't read the book, I never do. I just try and do it intuitively, and if I can't do that, then I think it's too complicated and shouldn't be in the car. But from what I can gather, the first time I've been in the car today, from what I can gather from any screen, if you click the telephone, don't tell you a whole lot. There's nothing connected at the moment, so it's just saying Bluetooth search, so you should be able to pair your phone straight away. But if you click options, you've got Bluetooth connection and quick message. That, if you click Bluetooth connection, it shows you the phones that are paired already. At the top there's a dustbin. There's nothing on. I would expect it to be on the actual car, on the actual phone itself, but you have to click the dustbin at the top, then it changes the symbol over here and allows you to delete that mobile. Delete the selected Bluetooth device. Yes, that's it gone.